everyone, it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today for brunch, I made delicious blackberry lemon biscuits. I'll show you how to make them. Prepare a cast iron skillet any way you choose to. That's how I did it. 1 cup of blackberries, lemon juice, and a little bit of sugar. Give that a toss and set aside. Then in a small bowl, make glaze with butter, powdered sugar, and zest the lemon right in there. Pour in the lemon juice and set that aside. In a large bowl, put flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, cinnamon, and zest the lemon zest right in there. Give that a good mix. Make a well in the center, and I'm using a box grater. I find it easier just to grate the frozen butter right in there, but you can use a food processor or you can cut it into cubes and use a pastry cutter. You do you. Then take 3/4 a cup or so of buttermilk and start to gradually mix that in. What you want is to just have that come into a dough, like so. And then prepare a floured surface. And you want to knead the dough into a ball and then press into a 1/2 inch thick disc. Grab the bowl of blackberries and take the blackberries out and put in the center of the disc. Don't use the juice. And then, as if this circle has 4 corners, fold in the 4 corners, completely enveloping the blackberries. And then gently squeeze into a ball again, and then start to flatten out to about a 1 inch thickness. You don't want it to be thin. Now you can cut these with a knife in triangles to make scone-like shapes, or you can use a biscuit cutter or like a coffee mug to make circles. You just choose what shape you want to cut your biscuits. And then I'm using the biscuit cutter here for 8 biscuits. It yields 8 biscuits in this size. And then with the leftover dough, just make the oddly shaped, oddly looking biscuit at the end. Put in that cast iron skillet. You see it still has the bacon grease in there. Or you can put any type of grease that you like. Bake for 8 minutes, and when you bring it out, just dust the top with butter. And then pop it back in the oven until it's golden brown. Cool it off for 10 minutes, and then put on that lovely lemon glaze and plate it up. There you are. Or you can wait a whole day and eat it the next day. Because these leftovers are even better the next day. But we're eating them right now, and there goes the bacon. Loving it. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.